Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use set color of cells in Excel worksheet action in Power Automate desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, under the Excel category, and inside the advanced section you can see that we have an action called set color of cells in Excel worksheet. So this action is used to set the background color of the range in the Excel worksheet. In today's video I'm going to work with this Excel file, and what I will do is I will set the background color of this range, right? So I will go back to Power Automate desktop, and because my Excel file is already open, I will use attach to running Excel, and then I will click on this drop down to choose the document name. An instance of this will be stored in the Excel instance. I will click on save, and then I will use set color of cells in Excel worksheet action. And here you can see that we have option to select a single cell or range of cells or named cell. So if you choose single cell, in that case you will be able to change the background color of one single cell. But if you choose a range of cells, in that case you will have to specify the start column and start row and end column and end row, right? So what I will do is I will first use this range of cells, and before using it I will use get first free column or row from Excel worksheet, and then I will click on save. And after that, what I will do is I will use set color of cells, and here I will choose range of cells, and here I will choose start column as 1 and start row is going to be 2, because we just want to color the text, not the header. And end column, here I will choose first free column -1, and in the row I will use first free row -1, so that we are able to change the background color of the range where we have the data. Now we have an option to choose the format of the color. If you choose the name as an option, then you will have this list of color available here, and if you choose hexadecimal value, then here you will have to specify the color value. In our case I will use name, and from here I will choose, let's say, dark orange, and then I will click on save. Now I will run the bot. You can see that execution has been successful. Now I will check the Excel file, and here you can see that you have the color in the background of this data. Now I will open the set color of cells, and here I will choose, let's say, a single cell. In that case I have to specify the start column and start row. So consider that I want to change the data of the start column, which is 1, right, and start row is going to be 2, and then I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. And now here you can see that color of this cell has been changed, so which is first column and second row value. Now again I will open this set color of cells in Excel worksheet. This time I will choose the option as named cells. Here I have to specify the cell name. Let's say I want to change the color of a cell which is in D column, and in the third row I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Execution is successful. I will check the file, and here you can see that color of the cell which is in D column and third row, it has been changed. So this is how you can use set color of cells action in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.